43-40.
You know.
Big Mike, best player of the game. 43-40.
Representative from...
Ito yung magandang laban. iGrill. And Omniscient. Flex ko lang yung pinasarap na jersey. Nagapoy. Update sa score, 33 all. Gandang laban. Yun.
5 seconds.
Point lang. 38-34.
Second shot, last 30 seconds. 35 seconds.
You know. Oh. Yun na. Oh. Game. Player ka na. Hoy, nakadalawang, video to, video. Nakadalawang player na to, oh. Grabe naman to. Oh, interview mo na. Ano masasabi mo?
Hintay ko yung laban na.
Oh, ayun na. Panalo ang iGrill. Panoorin nyo na lang yung live video. Alright. Kami naman lalaro.
Best player of the game.
Evidence.